Good morning, students. Hello, students. Today, my concept of the day is motivation. So we heard this term many times, but at that time or whenever we are talking about this particular topic, we need someone else to motivate us. But does anyone need? Does anyone need to motivate ourselves, or does we can motivate ourselves? So see the next. What is motivation? To make something special, you just have to believe it's special. I I can. So, what is motivation? That motivation is the internal drive to accomplish particular goal. In a work setting, motivation is what makes the people want to work. So, I have set here one of the recent example of the motivation. I read the passage. Lavanya suffered in the silence as she didn't gain any weight or had constant bouts of the fever, common cold and other ailments. While conducting our survey in 2017, means our survey means this survey is conducted by Swadesh Foundation in India in 2017, and we came in the touch with the Lavanya, and after preliminary screening linked her to our partner Walkhouse Hospital, where she underwent the successful heart surgery in the July. Today Lavanya is healthy and happy and free from the constant cold, lethargy and other health risks. Her parents are to inspire through the intervention that they are constantly motivating the others and suffering from the similar condition to reach out to us. Here in this story or here in this case, we at least come to know that Lavanya belonged to the lower middle class family, and her father earned only 10,000 rupees per month. But after onward, they motivate or means they want that their children or their child will be recover very soon, and this motivation her brings the happiness in her life. Today I'm going to say that motivation story, that I will share the one motivation story with you. In the ancient time in India, nearly 5,000 years ago, there lived a young Nishad. That Nishad means tribes of hunters, the prince by the name of Eklavya, even though he was a hunter by the birth and being the son of chief hunters in the forest of Hastinapur. He aspired to become the great archer and the brave warrior. He expressed his desire to his father. I want to be the archer and disciple of the great Guru Dronacharya, who is the greatest teacher of the art of archery and the science of the warfare in the kingdom. With his father's permission, he went into the Gurukul. He introduced himself and requested Dronacharya to be the disciple of Gurukul. Dronacharya refused him because he belonged to the lower caste, and later on he came to the forest. He made the idol of Guru with the mud, and from the next morning he would pray the idol and started practicing. As the time passed, he became the great archer. One day, while practicing, a dog started barking at some distances away. Its constant barking irritated Eklavya, who fired 7 arrows in the quick succession and filling the dog's mouth without injuring it. The dog was no longer to bark and roam around the forest. The roaming dog reached the Pandavas who were practicing in the forest along with Guru Dronacharya. So Dronacharya was amazed to see such a feat of archery and realized that only extreme skilled archer could have done this. He, along with Pandavas, to set out to look for the archer. He went there. He met Eklavya. He met with the Eklavya. He was amazed. The student whom he refused to be the the student whom he refused. Now he became the great archer. He asked for Guru Dakshina to him. Eklavya cut out his right thumb and bowed down to him. So everybody was there that Kauravas and Pandavas knew that without thumb the no person or without thumb the archer will not be the archer. But by seeing his by seeing Eklavya's dedication to Dronacharya, Dronacharya blessed him and went off from there. So from this story, we can at least we can at least understand that without someone else, we can motivate ourselves. Which we, if we want to desire something, if we want to do something, that our inner voice, our inner side always push up, always uplift us, and we can motivate ourselves. Thank you.